If you're really careful, you can be fast enough to touch it.
Die lig nie, ons het die lig.
Talk fucking proper.
See, it growls.
Bunch of fucking fuck faces.
Did you see that? That's it. If you can come a bit closer, you can see the signs of its age in this area here. All right. If you look carefully, this one is very old. Yes, look. There, this area here.
God will punish you all. Is Pastor nie so?
Nee, nog nie. Hy sê, hy kom nie voor die oppersin.
Op. Moet maak erect.
Erect, yes, erect.
Ja, God, erect is horribly.
Vertical. Nee, dan zie je het hier.
And by God fucking also punish these cunts that play this very loud TV shit.
Ja.
They particularly must be fucking
Smitten.
oh.
Smat.
Oh.